I know a girl, I must tell you, she's a little big in size, slightly big in size. Loves doing makeup, but whenever she does makeup and goes out, her own kids say, "Bhootni lag rahi hai." Bolti. Kids are saying that. Like, please don't do that, mom. And I know this girl, she every Sunday spends time doing makeup for 2 hours. Not for kids, not for wherever she's going, just for her little fuljedi of happiness, and keeps that makeup on for the entire day. And next day she's back to routine with no makeup on. She and her husband have so many fights at times. But both of them turn the television on at times, turn a song on, and when the kids are away, they dance and groove to this just like the hero and heroine are doing. छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है, लेकिन छोटी छोटी चीजों में ही बड़ा बड़ा सुकून और बड़ी बड़ी खुशी रखी होती है. This girl, she doesn't care what people think of her, and she sent me a poem which said, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, mirror, mirror on the wall, it doesn't matter whether I'm short or tall. If my legs are skinny or my hips are wide, all that truly matters is who I'm inside. Blue eyes, brown eyes, black or green. What makes me most beautiful can never be seen." Which is why, when you look at me the next time, don't judge me by my parts. Because the most beautiful thing about me is my heart.